Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariétou. We are in January. Normally, I would not want to go out of my house ever during the month, but this weekend is actually a very fun weekend, and I decided to bring you along with me. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Mariétou. As I said, I'm a first-year pharmacy student, also a side content creator, just because I like it and I love sharing my life. So if you love fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, study, all that good jazz, subscribe. But yeah, today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I had a class today. It's my clinical class, so I have 2 clinical classes per week this semester, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. The good thing is that it's only in the morning, so we don't have anything afterwards, but the bad thing is that it's still a class, so I have to wake up at 5 in the morning. But that's besides the point. We are done today. It is actually 2:25, and yeah, tonight I have a surprise birthday party. I'm so happy because this afternoon I received something that I'm so excited about. Let me just show you. I won a freaking Kindle. I don't know what it is. I am kind of a lucky person. I really feel like I've won one too many contests to not say that I'm a lucky person. I just entered in a online contest on TikTok. A Kindle Scribe at that. I have the little pen with me so I can literally write that down. It's so cute. I'm obsessed, and I've already connected my good notes. I've already connected everything. I have a notepad, and it writes down so crisp. It feels like a paper. I don't know if you're gonna hear it, but that's insane. I'm I'm so happy. And I received the message on the 24th of December, so it was literally a Christmas gift. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll talk later for the surprise party. Okay. My room is a mess. Exhibit A. But I really need to leave because it's a surprise party. But the fit is all black. The fit is all black. I have a cardigan and then my Aritzia effortless pants and this coat that I just bought from Rittman's. Yeah, the worst fit check ever, but let's go, guys. Let's surprise the girly. Yes, good morning. We're going for breakfast. My bank account is going to kill me by the end of this weekend, but I've decided afterwards I really need to save up, because if I want to go on a trip and have fun this summer, I need to plan very much ahead, because afterwards I have my internship and I have a lot of things that I won't be able to work as much. So we need to, the time is now. This weekend is my last hurrah, okay? I've decided. We're going to Eva's, the same restaurant we went last time. It was good. So we're not gonna break what's not broken. No, fix what's not broken. Yeah. And then I'm gonna come back and maybe study a little bit. I did change. Now, let's go. I'm walking to the restaurant. I don't understand though. This mall, it's a high-end mall. They built it in the intersection of a very busy highway, and then they make people pay for parking, but we're shopping at your mall, so I don't get it. And that is why it is extremely empty. I don't know how they make their money. I feel like the owner will be full of debt for a lot of time. because like what is the logic behind that? Every other mall is free. Like every other mall, their parking is free. Anyways. Okay, hi. So I'm absolutely unoriginal. I have absolutely no original experience in my book. So of course I'm gonna buy Kindle stickers. Like I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna buy a clear cover as well. So if you have any Kindle stickers recommendations, I know there are some on Etsy and there are some on Amazon. So I'm gonna check these out and I'm gonna be so excited when I'm gonna like customize it and everything. I'm so excited. I did a little research on Kindles and I have quite a big Kindle in comparison to the other ones, but it was free, so I am not complaining. And it's not that big, it's smaller than my iPad, you know, so that's fine with me. Is Kindle Unlimited worth it? Please let me know. I mean, it's $9.99 a month. I'm just considering it, but I have 2 other books in my TBR, my physical TBR, that I need to start. Well, so basically Iron Flame and like Onyx thingy. The 3rd book is out in like maybe like it probably is out. It's supposed to be out in January, so I need to finish the trilogy. I'm gonna read Onyx thingamajiggy, the end of the title, I don't know, but Onyx on my Kindle. So, you know, and then I have a Happy Place to read as well. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm a Kindle girl now. I'm so happy. Look who's going to the spa. It's one of my besties' birthday, Maya, today actually. So we're going to the spa today and we're having a little fun girls' day. It's at the Old Port of Montreal. It's very pretty, but I won't be able to film a lot because it's no phones allowed. So that's that. Honestly, we're super lucky because the temperatures during this week were so low. It was like -10, but today is like -4, so it's fine. This is yet again a sign to be a tourist in your own city because we don't do it enough and it's very important. So how was the experience?
It was super great.
It was nice, huh?
I'm relaxed.
Yeah, I am
I'm
relaxed.
hungry.
Me too. So let's go eat. Let's go find something to eat.